Scientists are testing existing seven drugs for treating coronavirus. Some of them are already approved for treating other diseases such as malaria, HIV, and arthritis. Chloroquine. It has been used to treat malaria for a century. It is synthetic version of quinine. Quinine is a natural compound present in a bark of cinchona tree. Quinine works by slowing down entry of virus in body. It slows down replication of virus as well. It is safe for humans. Hydrochloroquine. It is less toxic than chlorovoisin. It is used to treat certain autoimmune diseases like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. It has been in market since 1950. It works by disrupting communication between cells in immune system. Scientists hope that it can help to fight against immune system diseases. Calatra. It is combination of two antiviral drugs, leponavir and ritonavir, which were used against HIV. These two were useful in cutting out growth of virus, especially HIV cases. But it is not effective against COVID-19 according to recent studies. Remdesivir. It was developed to fight against Ebola but was failed. It showed effectiveness against SARS and MERS, which are caused by coronavirus. So it may have effect against novel coronavirus. It is not clear that how this works, but it is showed in clinically study that it blocked RNA replication, which can be helpful to stop growth of COVID-19. Losartan. It is drug to reduce blood pressure by preventing hormone angiotensin from binding to receptor cells in blood. Favipiravir. It is a flu drug effective in treating mild cases of COVID-19. It is approved as treating drug for COVID-19. Actimira. It is effective drug in treating arthritis cases. It is effective in treating immune system proteins which can be blocked by viruses. If that block cannot be stopped, then it can prove catastrophe for immune system.